So, ito yung mango panna cotta. Ito yung carrot, strawberry. Tart. Wow. Happy New Year! As the year 2025 comes to an end, let's celebrate our once-in-a-lifetime year-end party at Trip by Wyndham Dubai. Let's kick off the night with excitement and full of joy and laughter. Join me as we dive this night a memorable one. Let's go! So let me introduce to you the dishes that will make your taste buds dance. So this is the Salad Squad, serving up the crunchiest, tastiest, and most Instagram-worthy salads that make you want to jump into the bowl. From classic combos to changing twists. Let's get this green party started! They are serving also Arabic appetizers, from crispy bites to dipping delights. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa ating New Year's Eve dito sa Trip. Tara! Ultimate comfort food. It's roasted beef. It's juicy, tender, and packed with flavor. It's the perfect centerpiece of any meal. The spices dive into the rich flavor of the roasted beef. Isa sa mga dessert nila dito sa Trip. So, tara. So, ito yung mango panna cotta. Ito yung carrot, diba? Carrot walnut cake, fruit cake, walnut brownies, at ito yung kanilang bush de Noel. O, diba? Bongga. Ang laki. 2026. So, ito naman ang kanilang pecan tart. Sarap nito. And then, ang kanilang vanilla creme brulee andito sa gilid. Meron din silang lemon meringue tart. So, ito, ay, ang sarap niyan. Ito ang Eton mess. Para siyang blueberry, I think. So, ito siya. Blueberry, strawberry. And ito yung pinakamalaking, anong tawag dito? Bread? Fruitcake? Sobrang laki. At ang pinaka-paborito ng lahat, tiramisu. And then, meron din silang mini mousse cake. So, ayan. O, diba? Wow. Napaka-yummy. At, of course, New York cheesecake. Oh, wow. It melts in your mouth. And, ito yung kanilang Christmas pudding. Napakainit pa sa warmer. Ayan. Super bango. So, yun ang kanilang desserts. Tara, kain! It's turkey time! Welcome to our roasted turkey. The crispy skin, juicy meat, and all the drinks, and let's the feast started. Hello mga ka-frenzies! Happy New Year! So ngayon, nandito na naman ulit tayo sa Trip. So, nakita nyo naman ang mga slides ng kanilang New Year food. So, ang dami, di ba? From the appetizers, salad, main courses, desserts. So, ang dami nilang food selection. So, ngayon, iti-try natin ang iba't ibang food na kinuha ko sa kanilang food selection. Roast turkey, alioli, beef, I don't know kung ano yung beef, turkey, roast beef, mashed potato. So, i-try natin. Okay? Tara! So, ito yung beef. Wow! Perfect sa mashed potato. Now, ito yung gustong gusto ko. Nakalimutan ko anong name. Ito, yung roasted beef. Sobrang lambot. Ito, roasted beef. Ito, turkey. Laki, no? Wow. Perfect ang turkey talaga pag mainit. Alioli yung spag na kinuha natin. Ayan. So, let's try. So, kayo, anong favorite food nyo na kinakain during medianoche? Napaka-al dente. Perfect. Perfect ang spag.
Oh, it's Sweet Tooth Alert! It's the sweet treats that will satisfy your cravings and leave you wanting more. Look at the creative masterpiece and let's indulge in the sweet life. What is your favorite dessert obsession here?
Hello mga ka-Francis! Ngayon meron tayong iba't ibang dessert na kinuha ko. Ayan o. Meron tayong creme brulee, tart, lemon tart, walnut tart, chocolate mousse, fruit cake, walnut carrot cake, and bush din well. And then meron din tayong New York cheesecake. So yan. So, try natin. Try natin ang kanilang lasa. Ito ang kanilang pecan walnut tart. Wow. Try nyo. Wow. Nalalasahan nyo talaga yung nuts. Eto, yung New York cheesecake. Yan. Oh. Nagme-melt sa mouth. Eto ang cute mousse. Chocolate mousse cake. Pero 3 layers siya. Wala, nagme-melt yung chocolate sa sa ilalim. Oh, wow. Meron din tayo bush din well. Ayun. Sarap. Mahangin dito. Mahangin ngayon. Tapos, tingnan nyo kanilang fruitcake. Actually, ang dami pang mga dessert. Wow, eto daw nakalagay doon is lemon meringue tart. Wow. Sarap. Yung may asim, tapos matamis. Tapos the carrot, walnut, ayun. Ang sarap. Isa pa. Meron tayong creme brulee dito. Ayan, no. Ay, nako. Super sarap. Tingnan nyo, ang cute. Diba? Ang cute. Ang mahiwagang bola. May brownies. Dark brownies. Oh. Meron pa. Tiramisu. Dami, no? Try talaga natin lahat. Ayan. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Minsan lang kumain eh, no? Ang laki ng spoon natin kasi wala akong makitang dessert spoon. Alam niyo, hindi mo na kasi kailangan i-wrap. Kasi lahat masarap. Walay char. As in, naubusin ko to. Masarap talaga as in. Hindi siya nakakaumay kainin. Hindi siya nakakaumay kainin, kaya masarap. Kayo, anong mga dessert ang kinain nyo during medianoche?
So until